Hello everyone, I'm Avinash. Today I'm with two internship updates. If you are new to this channel, then please do subscribe for more updates related to internships and jobs. So, starting with the first one, IBM is offering an internship for software developer role, and the requirements is that you must have good understanding of C++ programming, relational database, and SQL, and concept of operating system. You must know data structure, uh, Perl or Python, experience using Linux, Unix, Windows operating system, and so on. Okay. And the second update is from HackerRank for content engineer intern. This is 6 month full-time internship from July to December 2022, and you must be available full-time for the entire duration. And these are the skills you must have: strong content curation skills, strong problem solving skills, experience in web development, front end and back end. You're highly articulate with good communication skills. Okay, so these are the skills that you need to apply. If you are eligible, go and apply. All the links will be in the description. Also, please do follow our LinkedIn page for more updates. I post regularly related to jobs and internships. So go and follow, and if you have any query, then you can comment down. I will reply to your query. If you are not eligible for this internships, then please do share with your juniors. Okay, thank you. Bye.